It's another day, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you are all doing well. Today, I'm going to go through with you the company profile for Omera. So basically, this is our company profile. You can download it from our website, or if you can inquire us, we can also send you the company profile. So like I said before, Omera, it's a security systems company. It offers quite a number of services, and when you see that logo, that represents Omera, and that's our website, www.omeraconsult.com. So this is the first page you see, the cover page. Then it follows with the table of contents. So after the table of contents, we have just listed down the brands which we deal with, which we use when we are building our security systems. Some of the brands here are not yet there. As we launch this company, you will see more brands coming here. And I can also say our engineers and technicians are certified with these companies, with these brands, so that enables us to give you better products and services because they have the technical know-how of how to deal with these technologies. So basically we do HP, Dell, Lenovo, Cisco, Microsoft, Stratus, Everrun, Axis, Milestone Genetic, Lenel, Paxton, Impro Technologies, Hikvision, Paradox, TechnoSwitch, Ajax, and FirePro, then Fortinet. Then if we move on to the next page, there's a company summary. So this company summary, it just states just a summary of what Omera does. So it does data communication networks, data center, cybersecurity, electronic systems, and fire detection systems. And it also states why we chose to do this thing. We help people to use technology to safeguard their lives, property, data before incidents occur. And we also build the infrastructure on which they run. Okay, then this is actually more important to us as Omera. Our mission, what is our mission in having Omera company? Our mission is to empower businesses and individuals by providing cutting-edge and security solutions that ensure seamless operations and peace of mind. And our vision, we envision a future where technology empowers and secures every aspect of human interaction. Then we move on to our values. Our values are innovation, accountability, professionalism, teamwork, collaboration, transparency, and communication. So these are the things which drive us to say our mission, what is our purpose as Omera, and what is our vision, what do we see as Omera, and the values in delivering the products and services. What do we value? Okay, so this is the list of what we do. Then this is an interesting page where I give it a heading of, say, our concern. What is our concern as Omera? So you see, criminals, they are continually developing new methods of attack. Each and every day they are finding ways of how to compromise the security, be it security on the premises, be it your data. They are trying by all means to see how can they access that data. And also to say the theft, vandalism, robberies, unauthorized access. And also this topic of accidental fires. Like I said, at Omera we do fire detection and suppression systems. So this prevents your buildings from being destroyed by accidental fires. There might be accidental fires which happens, so we have got systems which can detect the fire when it starts, and we have got systems which can suppress the fire so that it doesn't cause damage to premises. Then also on cybersecurity, we also deal mainly with firewalls for your networks, so that your data cannot be exposed. If your data is exposed, then this might affect your business continuity, and you have financial losses in trying to resolve those issues. So moving on, Omera, it understands these challenges, and also it understands how best it can solve these challenges using technology. Nowadays, technology is the way to go, so we better embrace it, and Omera is there to help you to safeguard people, assets, and data, right? Then our engineers are very qualified to provide these products and services, so that you can be secure. Then we move on to our service page. This service page lists the services which we provide as Omera. So I'll start with consultancy. So for consultancy, we do consultants on security systems and IT infrastructure. Let's say you have got your home or you have got your business premises, and you want to secure the premise. Then you can contact us, then we can come and assess your building and recommend what needs to be done on your building. So sometimes you might be facing some issues, to say you are having unauthorized access, unlawful entry, and maybe people are your workers, maybe you are missing some your products, but you don't know how. Then we can come and we can assess that, and we can recommend a solution so that you don't get losses on that. Then we move on to security systems and data network design. Let's say you are also starting a business, or you've got a network, you've got a business with a network, but you want to enhance that network infrastructure. Maybe you are having problems, bottleneck networks, and all. We can come and we can redesign, or we can just design. If you are new, we can design your network so that we can provide you with a product and service which will help you to do your business. And we also do the system installation. Once we design, we can install that system, and we can also commission that system. By commissioning, we mean we can test the system. We can test the if there are loopholes, we can test to see the pain points which you had, if they have been resolved. So we thoroughly test this system, so that when we hand over that system, it will be you will be good to go. Then also we offer project management services. Let's say maybe you have got a project which you want to run. Probably you choose some other contractors to do the installation for you, but we can also come in as project management, so that we can manage your project, so that you limit the losses. It will be on budget, and also it will be on the timelines which you want that project to be completed. Then after that, let's say you have got a system which is running, then we can come in and do support and maintenance for that system, so that it keeps running all the time. You don't have breakdowns. They might be there, but we limit them. So that probably when it happens, you don't even notice it. Then we also do training. For training, you might have your employees or yourself, and you don't know how to really use the system. So basically, the good thing is, if you are trained, if you know the system very well, you can utilize it efficiently. You can maximize its features which bring value or benefit to you. Because some of the systems, you might find people can install systems, but they are not really using it. They are not getting value of it, because they don't know how to use it. But we can come and help you. We can train you, so that you know exactly what you do with the system. Okay, so basically this on the service tab, right? this is actually like a turnkey thing which we provide. But what is it that we provide, right? What are the solutions? Okay, we have got surveillance systems, which is CCTV systems. We have got access control systems and intercom, right? I'll go back to CCTV. So for CCTV, these are your eyes on the building, on the premises, right? To see what's going on the building. So nowadays, it's not only about seeing as well, but you can also use AI to deduce data from your security systems. They can help you. They can give you data which you want. Let's say maybe I can give you an example of in a retail space. You can actually use it to see which are the areas like in your shop where people normally move around, you know. So you might take that data and use it to arrange your products and services, knowing that okay, most people like to go this way in my shop, so I can place my products in a way that if they move along this, they can actually see these products. So that's analytics as well. And I can also give examples of some of the analytics which can happen, like ANPR. You can actually know how many vehicles have passed through this, maybe through your gate, or how many, which you can also get the number plates. You can also what else can you get? You can also search, or you can also trace some of the vehicles which pass through. But this will be the you will be using analytics on that. Then you cannot, if it is a premise, you cannot just get surveillance systems only, like to say you can only have eyes on the system, right? Because let's say that's an intruder who is coming into your building. Yes, you can see him with your CCTV, but if your doors are not protected, then he can actually get in. So we need to stop that person. But then how do we stop that person? Then we include access control systems on your doors, so that, well, we can see the person, and if he tries to get into the building, he can be denied access with the access control system. So we move on to thermography solutions. So for thermography solutions, these are CCTV cameras which use the infrared technology to detect temperature, right? So like for this picture, we use these thermal cameras at base stations, so that they can monitor if there is a component which is overheating. You can actually use these thermal cameras on areas like on the perimeter areas where you would want to detect human beings in any condition, weather condition. So be it rain, be it mist, dust, or whatever, you can actually detect anything through infrared technology. Then we move on to fire detection and suppression systems. This prevents your buildings or your premises to be destroyed by fire. It detects the fire, it detects smoke, it detects flames when they are starting, so that there will be some suppression systems which can extinguish the fire, so that your building won't get destroyed. Then we also have intrusion detection and home automation. So for intrusion detection, let's say your premises, you have got windows, right? So some of the intruders can get through the windows, some can get through your doors, but somehow before they even get in near the building, we can install some sensors so that they can be detected. And also even inside your house, we can install the sensors strategically, so that the intruders can be detected once they access on your premises, and it can give an alarm, so that it can awaken you, or it can send a message to the response team, so that they can come and get rid of the intruders. Then we move on to data networks, security, server storage, virtualization. Here what we actually do is we design your networks. We also install your networks, which is structured cabling. Then on security, we do cyber security. Then server storage, we can supply and install and configure your server storage. Then virtualization, if you've got servers which will need virtualization, we can actually do that. Then we move on to our market. What is our market? Well, our market is residential, retail, industries, educational institutions, health sector, telecommunications, storage houses, power utility, mining sector, agriculture, transport, government institutions, non-governmental organizations, and religious organizations. So if we've got any challenge, we have the expertise to solve it. So come, let's work together. And below, this is our email address, and that's our website. This is Omera Security Systems and Fire Detection Systems. So thank you so much.